Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Tomorrow I'm going to be making nut corn porridge, and by nut I mean peanut. And I have the corn here. The package says ground corn, but it's really cracked corn. It's cracked up into small pieces. In Jamaica we call it hominy porridge, so that's what I'm going to be making tomorrow. But I have to set the corn to soak so it can cook faster tomorrow. So I'm doing this overnight. Okay guys, I have turned on the stove to start cooking my hominy nut porridge. I say nut because I'm going to be adding peanut. So we'll see what happens. I will cover for a little bit. Okay guys, it's boiling now. And you have to keep stirring. If you don't, it's gonna stick to the bottom of the pot and get burned, and you don't want that. So you have to constantly stir. So my hominy corn is almost cooked, so I am putting some cinnamon sticks in. Usually in Jamaica we use the cinnamon leaf and the flavor is divine, but I don't see any leaves up here in Wisconsin. So I'm doing that. And I'm also putting a dash of salt in. Don't want too much salt in there. Okay, now that it's almost done cooking, I am going to be putting in the coconut milk in there, and I have one in the tin so it can cook with it, the rest of it. So I'm going to put the peanuts in the oven for about 5 minutes at 350 temperature so I can get the red part off of it, then I'll blend it. So the coconut milk is in. I'm waiting to put the peanut and my almond milk in. So it is cooking nicely. See? I'm gonna take out the cinnamon sticks in a little bit. I'm adding a spoon of flour. And now I'm gonna put some almond juice in there to blend it. Put in the porridge. So that's the peanut and the flour. Wow, this looks good. Looks mighty good. Teaspoon of nutmeg. And I grated the nutmeg. I had a whole one that I grated. I am not putting any cinnamon in there because I already cooked it with the cinnamon sticks. A tablespoon of vanilla. Smells nice with all these spices. Put in my milk in, my condensed milk. And you have to put in the amount of milk that you need in there. Some people like it sweet, some people don't like it that sweet. So it all depends on what you want in here. And I know we make this in Jamaica a lot. And I think in other Caribbean countries they do also in Latin America. So I don't know how each country makes its own, but this is kind of what we do in Jamaica. Some people love evaporated milk in it. I don't do evaporated milk. It doesn't agree with my gut. So I didn't put any in. I have coconut milk, sweetened condensed milk, and unsweetened almond milk. But it's really nice and creamy, which is what you want it to be like. I'm gonna let it simmer for a few more minutes, then I'll be done. This is nice and creamy, and I'm turning it off now. Hi guys, Hominy Nut Porridge it is, and I'm tasting it. This is delicious, nice and creamy. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please try and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching.